Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Sai Gem the Art Zone. I had said that drawing is all about lines and curves. Practicing the base is very important and I can say this is the spine. So gather all your patience and let's get started. Okay. Now I have marked some dots with measurements to practice drawing lines. I hope you all can see them. See, okay. This is with 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 and so on. I have just increased the distance. So now there is a way to practice drawing lines on this. Let's see how to do that. We will start with 1 centimeter. Okay. Now keep your pencil on the point. Okay. On this dot, and your eyes on the dot on which it has to be connected. Now use the method of extension that I had taught in the previous tutorial. Those who have not seen it, I'll be providing the link in the I button. You may please watch it. And now see, now I have kept my pencil point on this dot. I have to join it with this dot. So your eyes on this dot, slowly start and leave, start from above it and leave. Okay, now this is a small distance that you can cover up very easily. Start, leave, start from above the tail at the end, leave. Right? Now we'll be doing the same with the 2 centimeter dots. Starting from this dot, we have to bring the line till this dot. So eyes on this dot and start from here. You can take an idea by doing this. Just don't put the pencil on the paper, but just get an idea and then connect it. This way. I'm using the method of extension. Make it very light and then you can draw once again darken it with the same method. Right? Let's do it for 3 centimeters as well. Darken it, leave it, start from above the tail, leave it, and you got a straight line. Same way. Now I have increased the distance. I have made it for 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. We'll be doing with the similar technique. Now, as and when the distance increases, what you have to do is you keep the pencil on the point and get an idea from this side. Eyes on this point, get an idea. Don't put your pencil on the paper, but just get an idea to make sure that your line is getting connected straight to that dot. Like see here, I have put the pencil, I am drawing it. Get an idea from this dot like this, that these lines are getting joined, and then extend this. Okay, just see that this is a reverse technique. I am doing the same thing. Now for 5 centimeters, see, I am starting from here. Get an idea from this dot like this, and then extend. Right? Now as the distance increases, what we have to do is, you can also try the reverse method of extension, that is from this dot also you can try the same thing. How to do it, just see. Make it very light, and then you can always darken it. Once you know that your line is straight and perfect, you can darken it with the same method of extension. Leave it. Okay. Now this is 10 centimeters. I'm starting from here. Just I'm extending. This you have to do as per your capacity. I mean, if you are able to put a straight line till this distance, you can do it. Else you put it very small. From here I have started, and from the end, this is reverse. Right? I'm going reverse. Alright. Now when you are sure that this line has come perfectly straight, you can darken it. Yes, now gradually you can increase the distance and practice, and also you can practice this method that I showed in reverse. I mean the method of extension in reverse. Okay, I'll once again show. This is the straight way of doing method of extension, and now from reverse is from back you are starting. Okay, this will be helpful when you draw a very long line. You will be able to connect both like this. Alright, so hope this video is helpful for you all. Please post your suggestions in the comment section, and yes, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep practicing until we meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.